here's the workshop. Steel arrived. Oh, nice little yard outside. Some jigs. A little bit planting as a demonstration of those gazebo sides as trellis. Right in the woods here. It's beautiful. Do get quite a bit of midge problem though. Inside, saw bench, steel rack, one bench, jigs, main bench, storeroom, and sort of raised storage area. Very lucky to find this place. It was through joining the Ramblers. Somebody told me there's an empty building here, so I sussed it out. This is like a lean-to that was had to be re-roofed and everything. It was leaking like anything. But it's a great little workshop.